Now to the headache of reopening schools. The Ministry of Education is still grappling with the question of how to implement social distancing in learning institutions, even as it works round the clock to establish COVID-19 prevention protocols before reopening schools. Education Cabinet Secretary Professor George Magoha says the way forward is expected later this month after consultative meetings with the Health and Interior Ministries. Professor Magoha, who chaired an education stakeholder meeting at the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development in Nairobi, said the status quo remains and the tentative date for reopening of schools is January 2021.
To note that the average positivity rate has been just below 5%. And this is a good thing for us because it suggests then that we can begin to consider how much restrictions are lifted in different sectors.
And we, as stakeholders, have come to a consensus that indeed it is time to relook, because the doctor has told you the curve is flattening. And in order for us to prepare a presentation to present to the bigger stakeholders meeting, which will take place sometime next week, either before or on the 25th, we have decided to reactivate the smaller stakeholders group between now and Saturday to work on the finer details of proposals that shall be interrogated by this larger stakeholders group. And even at that time, if I succeed in getting backroom approval, then I will tell you what we have decided. If I do not, then those the decisions that have been made at that point will be taken and then give them to the principal, who will communicate the decision to you.